Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Aaron's employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Aaron's employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Aaron's employee login. And after searching for that, you will come up to this page where you can tap on the first option which says My Well Portal. And after tapping on My Well Portal, now you can log in your account. So to log in your account, what you can do is just enter your username and then tap on next. And after tapping on next, you have to enter your password. So here you can see your password, last 4 digit of SSN. So what it means is you have to enter your last 4 digit of social security number. So after entering that, just tap on login and you will successfully log into your account. Or there is another way to log in your account. So in the bottom here you can find SSO login. Just tap on that, and after tapping on that, now here you can enter your username and then password. Just enter that username and password and then tap on sign in. And after entering these details, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your account. But while you are trying to sign in your account, if it shows you an error that you have entered a wrong password, or if you have forgotten your password, so if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just change your password by tapping on forgot password. And after tapping on forgot password, just change your password and then come back to this page after changing your password, and then enter that password that you have just changed and then try to sign in your account. After doing that, you will be successfully signed into your Aaron's employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.